Chinese bhel is an Indian fast food, basically a variation of chop suey, consists of deep fried noodles, thinly sliced vegetables, and sauces like soy, tomato, and chili sauce. Welcome to Bhavana's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a requested recipe of Chinese bhel. The key ingredient for preparing Chinese bhel is fried noodles. So let me show you few ways to prepare the perfect noodles for this recipe. To use ready dry noodles, boil noodles to soften them, drain noodles and allow them to cool slightly before frying. Now to prepare fresh noodles at home, take 1 cup of plain flour, quarter cup of rice flour, salt as per your taste and water as needed. Into the pot, bring water to boil. Into the pan, dry roast all-purpose flour on a low to medium heat for about 4 to 5 minutes. After about 4 to 5 minutes, add rice flour. Turn off the stove, add salt, mix really well, add boiling water little at a time. If desired, add little bit of oil, cover and let it rest for about 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes, open the pot, bring down the dough into the bowl, take regular water, sprinkle just a little bit of water and knead the dough. Now don't add any water but keep kneading the dough until it comes together and it becomes smooth. And after kneading the dough for about 5 minutes, you will get nice and smooth dough, as you can see, and bouncy dough. Alright, now take noodle maker, apply little amount of oil everywhere. I'm using the fine noodle maker. Take half of the dough, shape into cylinder and press inside the noodle maker and make the noodles. You can directly fry into the pan. These noodles can be steamed depending on the recipe. As you can see, preparing noodles at home is fun. You can let them dry even and use when needed. So there are several ways to use these noodles now. This recipe gives the noodles for about 4 servings. I recommend to steam these fresh noodles rather than boiling for the bouncy noodles and not the soggy noodles. And now the third option is that you can buy the fresh noodles from the market if you have the Chinese market nearby you. These days I use these fresh noodles readily available in one of the Chinese grocery nearby me. They keep it in a refrigerator or freezer section. So basically these are not the dry noodles. But by all means, any kind of noodles that you can find, if they are not fresh, you can just quickly boil. Do not overboil noodles for this recipe. So just make them soft and then fry. But these are ready to fry. I don't have to even cook. I just directly fry right from the freezer or the refrigerator without any problem. So do visit if you have a Chinese local grocery near you, and you will find actually many kinds of noodles if you go to the Chinese grocery. Another reason I love to use this noodles is that once I fry this whole bag, I can store these noodles up to a month. Yes, they stay great in an airtight container for up to a month once you fry them. It may stay longer, but it never lasts that long in my family. My elder son Drew actually loves Chinese bale. For him, it's like a quick snack. Anytime he wants to eat Chinese bale, I can quickly saute some vegetables, and the noodles are always ready, available in my pantry. So make the Chinese bale quickly for him. That way he consumes all those vegetables that I want him to eat. So these are the perfect noodles for me. So now that we have soft noodles ready, it is time to fry the noodles. Heat up the oil on a medium to high heat and fry the noodles until light golden brown color. So as you can see, I have fried all these noodles, and this is a big container. As you can see, it fills up the whole container. And actually, six of us already ate today Chinese bale. So after that leftover noodles that I'm going to store, and as I said, they stay great up to a month even without any problem. I just try to seal with this press and seal, or you can just use the plastic bag. So that way the freshness is sealed. And now it's time to make the Chinese bale. So here I have the vegetables, crunchy vegetables like onion, colorful bell peppers, cabbage, carrot, spring onion. I prefer to slice them thin. You can chop however you like. Into the pan, heat up the oil on a medium to high heat. Add the chopped vegetables. Along with vegetables, add ginger, garlic, chili sauce or hot sauce, soy sauce, and tomato ketchup or tomato sauce can be used. Give all these a really good stir. Now here I have sprouted mung beans. It is optional to add sprouted mung beans, but I love to add more nutrition to the recipes. Add salt to taste. Turn off the stove. Alright, so now that we have the vegetables ready, the fried noodles ready, all we have to do is now mix the vegetables with fried noodles. Break the noodles. Mix well, and you can always adjust the amount of fried noodles and the vegetables, even the sauce. Serve the Chinese bale immediately once you mix the vegetables with fried noodles. Garnish with spring onion, also known as scallion, basically green onion. I simply love the crunchy texture and the colorful Chinese bale. And ready to eat! Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. Not only recipe videos, but more than just cooking. Also, please do visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. And yes, you can also download free Bhavna's Kitchen app on your iOS or Android devices. And you can also watch me on a big TV screen on a Roku channel, Bhavna's Kitchen or Bhavna in the Kitchen. If you have a smart TV, thanks for watching and see you soon.